Hello viewers, this video is about improving immune system. The whole world just had a wake-up call, the need of the hour for having a good immunity during this pandemic, which otherwise would have not crossed our minds. Let me tell you, immunity is not something which comes all of a sudden. It is a process where we have to feed our body with certain foods and follow a certain lifestyle to improve the immune system, as it is not an overnight job. I would like to list out the top 10 foods that help maintain our immune system. 1. Garlic. Not only for food flavoring, but also a traditional medicine. It contains manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, fiber, a decent amount of calcium, potassium, phosphorus, iron, which are good for immunity booster. When cooked lightly or taken raw, helps lower BP and kills bacteria and parasite. Good for common cold and lowers cholesterol. Number 2. Ginger. Again, not only flavoring but helps in relieving common cold, sore throat, decrease inflammation, decrease joint pains, lowers cholesterol, and also has a property to fight drug-resisting bacteria. 3. Turmeric. Present in every household. Good immune booster. Has a property of anti-inflammatory. Cures flu, helps relieve arthritis pain and muscle damage. 4. Papaya. It contains vitamin C, potassium, vitamin D, folate, vitamin A, antioxidants which help in improving eye health, boosting immunity, helps in weight loss, great for diabetics, anti-aging and helps in digestion. 5. Citrus fruits. It contains vitamin C which helps fight infection, cold and removes oxidative stress. Citrus fruits include oranges, lemon, lime, mosambi, etc. to name a few. 6. Spinach or palak. We have seen in childhood cartoons how Popeye eats spinach and turns strong. Wow, this leaf is also loaded with vitamin A, C, K, magnesium, iron, manganese, folate, beta-carotene. Helps remove oxidative stress, helps maintain BP, blood glucose, strong bones, healthy skin and hair. 7. Red bell peppers. It gives a tough fight with citrus fruits as it is also loaded with vitamin C. Has beta-carotene which is good for skin and hair. 8. Apples. There goes a saying, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. It is loaded with vitamin A, B and C. It contains an enzyme, pectin, which helps maintain our gut with proper digestion and improves proper function of immune system. 9. Green tea and black tea. It contains flavonoids and EGCG, which has a germ-fighting compound and helps improve immune system. It also helps in maintaining body weight. 10. Broccoli. Loaded with antioxidants, vitamin A, C, E, fibers, beta-carotene, which is good for skin, hair, and also good for maintaining body weight. It removes oxidative stress and a perfect vegetable to take with a very little cooking. Steaming is a perfect method. With all these foods, taking curd, kiwi, and nuts also increases our immune system. Follow a no smoking, regular exercise, adequate sleep, wash hands and feet regularly. And during this pandemic, let's all fight this together by social distancing. Stay home, stay safe and follow the guidelines issued by the health department. Bye.